Jocelyn McClellan here, and I have the funnest hair thing for you. So today I just put in a little product. I'm gonna show you what it is, but then I just blow dried my hair upside down, and yes, I used a really good shampoo and conditioner, but I just blow dried my hair upside down, and when I was done, it was out here. So it gave me that extra body that I needed as well. But the good news is that I didn't have to do much to it. I got the extra body. This is the product that I used. Be Curly by Aveda. And so I kind of, when I was just drying it, I scrunched it like so. And then this is how it ended up. But I have something really, really fun. Okay, so what I did was, and I learned this on a YouTube tutorial. And I love the girl that I learned this from. I don't know her name, but I love it. Super, super easy hairstyle. So instead of having to go in with those 3 barrels, what you can do is you start your hair out, you start your first one down, and then you just go like this with your flat iron, and it creates that 3-barreled look. So I just go in with specific pieces, and I do that, but some of them I go in and I give it a curl. Okay, so I'm getting it just a little bit of a curl. So I'm taking just random pieces, and some of them I'm going in with that 3-barrel look. So start the first one winding down, and then you're just pulling it like so, and it's gonna give it that 3-barrel look, right? So you do this throughout your head, just wherever you want. And it's okay to have straight pieces, and then it's okay to have curly ones. So for example, let's say right here, I'm gonna take it away from my face and just pull out, and it's gonna give me that fun little curl. And then in other pieces, I want that 3-barrel look. So I'm just gonna pull it just like so, and it's gonna give it that crimp look as well. And I'm gonna do that all over my head, and I'll show you the finished look in just 1 second. Okay, so I now have it done how I want it, but now it's time for the products. The products are the best ending part of it. So I have a couple of things that are a lot alike, but one works a lot stronger than the other. They're both powders, but these bad boys, if you get too much, you'll know it, and your hair's gonna feel like dirt and clay. So you can choose which one you want to go in, but I'm loving this Unite Expanda Dust, and you can go in it with it a couple different methods, but one you don't know how much product you're getting, and one you do. So you can either take your hair and just kind of poof this on and pray that you don't get too much, kind of get it around. It makes your hair feel gritty. It makes your hair kind of feel dirty, but I love having the texture, and it also makes my hair not feel like it's getting greasy as quickly. So you can either do that, or you can just pour some in your hand. You don't need very much, and you're just gonna put this on your ends so that it gets a good piecey look. So that piecey look is what we're going for. Just make sure that you don't put too much Expanda Dust in one area. Get it to your roots, because it gives you really good volume. Look at that. It gives you such good volume, and have fun with it. So you're getting that piecey look, and you're getting volume. Who doesn't want it? All right, here we go. Now, with that, before I spray with my hairspray, I really, really, really like this product from IGK. This is Broken Dreams Texture Paste. And yes, this is not my camera, so it doesn't zoom in it. This is just my phone, a little informal here, but I wanted to be able to bring this to you as well. So you don't want to get too much of this as well, because it does feel heavy, but this is where I just grab these ends and really try and piece them out a little bit more. You can tame the fuzz that's on top, and you're set. So I go in and just grab those pieces. So this is nice for somebody who has a little bit of curl, because you're taking the curl that you already have and you're working with what you got. It's awesome. It's there. Why spend a ton of time trying to take out the curl when you already have it? So let's embrace it. The body, the curl, and we're just gonna add in a couple pieces, add in a couple curls, and you're finished. So here is the final look. And then when I spray my hair, I just don't spray it everywhere. I lift up some pieces, get some spray down underneath it, and really make sure that I soak up all that volume that I am wanting so very badly. And I'm set. I personally like to tuck one because I don't want it too crazy. But you can either kind of push these ends down in or just embrace the full that it gives you. It's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. So here's my little look for you. You can add more pieces to it. You get to do whatever you want and you get to be in control of your hair. But if you got a little curl, embrace it, love it, and hopefully you enjoy this look. Take care, Jocelyn McClellan, Fit Mr. Makeup. We'll talk at you later.